Marcie. So maybe we'll get fish. Beautiful. Fish?
I don't know. You showed me this woodworking machine in the cafe.
Oh, yes. So what about that?
If you learned about it.
Oh, I know. Long time ago.
Okay.
You're buying machine and you have program to that, and it's automatic curving CNC. So you can buy yes, it's disgusting.
I saw a picture of like open eggs and it was like feather wings there. Didn't look like a drill, but very damn close.
Kurwa, kto to postawił tutaj?
Nie wiem, super fajnie.
So machine is amazing. Hey, they have different colors there, no? I didn't catch that.
But this is not Pub Street. It's quite far. Oh, goodness.
Very good. You want to go for falafel fries.
Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, it was actually one of the cheapest places we ate. We had this, I forgot the name. No, in the Pub Street we ate there once, and it was $17.
Yeah.
Now that I'm thinking about it, actually. Well, it's not called that, it was called something else. It was like, what if it's just soup, Korean barbecue, which is barbecue, and this one was bowl. It was soup and barbecue. And it was something with M. I don't know, I thought it was local. But yes, that's.
So why are you asking about carving?
Because we didn't talk about it after. I came, you were saying that you're just interested in now, you're watching the video. And I was like, cool, I can say like, no, that's and we didn't do it. How far did you get? What did you look from Brazil to learn?
It's also like I was start watching this. The guy who was making, he's just leaving to make this cutting board,
Yeah.
the kitchen cutting board. But he making like very cool. He buying different kind of the wood and he like limbing everything and he making like very nice pattern. It's really amazing, but they cost also. Yeah, I think it's worth it because he's spending a lot of time to like make it. And but also like you're supposed to have like few tools around also. You know, make you work very precise and easier. And I also know one guy in Norway, his child, he's making cutting boards and he's earning very good money on that. But probably because he's a child and people want to support children's dreams.
You know, it's hard for me to understand or believe because it's like, I know a few people, almost all of them own a cutting board, and like very few of them own a fancy cutting board, and usually this fancy cutting board is like from generation before, so I find it very difficult to imagine that someone can sell enough expensive cutting boards to make life out of it, and they're not the company that mass produces it. Like, it's very hard for me to imagine. I'm not saying it's not true, I'm saying it's very hard for me to imagine. Because in my life, I think I bought like maybe 2 cutting boards.
You know, if I will sell or do something like that, I will just make like very practical, normal cutting boards, which people can use. You can use like every day.
But then will they buy it? Because these people you're talking about making super fancy IQ cutting boards, so it's like people will buy it because it's like fancy. They want to, you know, it's just a normal cutting board. Why would they buy from you and not from IKEA?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. You know, it's a lot of people who want to support local businesses, not like big corporations. This is in bucks?
Bucks, yeah. Well, it's not the same stand, but it's a smell. Sounds smelling now, like, do you want to start or we're going Krishna, right? You can get some Krishna. Go away and down.
There? You want?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Very nice. And this we didn't try.
Yes. Con một bông ạ.
So much?
You want spicy?
No, it's okay. Yeah, I think she was going out, but everyone's confused. Oh, I think these are the water bugs. I only have 8,000.
I have.
You have 10,000?
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
20.
No, this that. 20 no.
Can we do this? Yeah.
So yes,
This
I
for
think
me?
you can.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Bye.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Very good.
Probably for us.
I picked up all from the Pass and the Yes! Holy shit.
Yeah, we're going soon, so I think we don't have.
It's very expensive, so I don't have money. Fuck yes.
This?
Yes. You can film, but I don't know, it's nice. It's very big. I think we can find someone who opens it because there's this stance who like open it and right. Maybe, yeah, maybe, I don't know.
Rent,
Yeah, durian.
but expensive.
I know how much.
For one maybe 25 baht.
But is it ripe, you know? If it's
Yes,
like
can eat, can eat.
can it?
It's fresh.
Okay.
What? It's not all.
We'll open it because we're going to restaurant. No, we're going to restaurant. We're going to restaurant from home, so we open.
You can eat today or tomorrow.
Do you want my pipe? It's with this.
So I want your 5.
It's this. Maybe she will take. It's lean.
Ah, I see. Okay, yeah, you can try. I don't think you should because then it's more visible than just the cup. Okay, we can try. 50 cents, you know how much that is? $1 is. 50 cents, 2,000 real? So, that's good.
Dzisiaj zostałem zaproszony na obiad, więc zamawiam wszystko, co jest drogie. Mamy spring rolls with pork, very tasty.
You
pamiętam ile kosztowały. No importanto. No importanto. Do you want?
Just enjoy it and make another one.
They're so big.
How big are they?
Very big. It's okay.
Yeah.
Do we see the food?
No. Yes.
The food? A lot of carrots.
Yeah.
A bit overwhelming.
Carrots. They're gonna be yellow. Very good for tan.
To, co jest bardzo częste w Azji, to to, że jedzenie przychodzi w różnych momentach. Jak dwie osoby zamawiają, to na przykład starter i drugie danie. Tak jak w tym przypadku ja dostałem starter wcześniej, już zdążyłem go zjeść i potem jak już przynieśli główne danie, to Miro dostał i starter i główne danie. Więc to takie trochę dziwne jest, ale to w każdym w sumie kraju, gdzie tutaj byliśmy, to tak jest. A tak poza tym to jedzenie jest bardzo dobre.
And Lokmak has amazing amounts of pepper. Both fresh and dry.
I to co często się zdarza, że dają łyżkę i widelec zamiast widelec i nóż. Chociaż tutaj dali nam nóż, więc jest spoko, ale często w knajpach właśnie dają taki zestaw. Ale w sumie mięso jest pocięte, nie? Nie ma tak w całym kawałku. Chyba, że tak, no.
Both things on those are
No, I mean like the meat is cutted already, so you don't have to actually use the knife.
Yeah, but there was a T-bone steak that you could get.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. On the menu. I mean.
Proste rozwiązania są najlepsze.